Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to subtract mixed numbers. Okay, for this problem we have 51/6 and minus 38 and 1 over 3. So we're going to try to subtract here. Okay, one way you can subtract this is by, let's say, rewriting it as, I'm going to put it here as 51 over 6 minus, okay, so we're subtracting, so minus 38 1 over 3. Okay, so here, as you can see, they have different denominators. So what you can do first, you can try to have the same LCD denominator here. So I'm gonna have to multiply top and bottom here by 2 because 6 is the LCD, so times 2. Again, I showed you guys how to get the LCD in another video of mine, so you can always check it out. So I have 38 1 over 3. Now I multiply 1 and 3 by 2 here, so I could get, so on top here it stays 51 over 6, and on the bottom here it becomes, so minus, we're still subtracting, right? 38, and 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, so now that's what we have. All right, after that, so we keep going. Okay, we can keep going here. By the way, if I'm subtracting, I can subtract 38 from 50, but I cannot subtract 2 from 1, okay, because 1 is smaller. One thing you can do, you can rearrange the number you have on top here. You can write it as 49 now. 49 plus 1, which will give you 50, and plus 1 over 6. Okay, you can write it like this just to rearrange it a little bit. Now the bottom part, as you can see, would stay the same way, the way it is now. -3, -38, I mean 2 over 6 for now. Okay, now on top, if I multiply 6 by, so I'll have 49, okay, but if I multiply 6 times 1, it's as if you do 6 times 1 plus 1, so which is 7. All right, so I'll have 7 over 6. Okay, again, what I did, 6 times 1 plus 7, that's like, the LCD right here is 6. So just to rearrange it a little bit, because as you know, this is still 50. Okay, so I didn't really change anything here. I'm trying to get a number here from which I can subtract 2, so it has to be 7 in this case here, and I get it by doing 6 plus times 1 plus 1 right here. 6 times 1, 6 plus 1, 7. So 49, 7 over 6, which is the same number as what you have here. Okay, now I can subtract 38 2 over 6. Okay, 38 2 over 6. Now we can do it. Okay, now it's 49 minus 38, which is 11. Okay, so 11, and 7 minus 2. Okay, 7 minus 2 is 5, and the denominator is 6. So as you can see, 11 5 over 6. This is your answer here. All right, so as you can see, it wasn't that bad. So this is how you subtract mixed numbers. I know some people could just would just change it into an improper fraction, both of them into improper fractions, then subtract, then go back to a mixed number. That's fine as well, but you don't have to do all that if you know how to do it this way. Okay, so this is very simple. Just make sure you take your time trying to see what's needed. For example, here, what was needed was the LCD 6. I wanted to make this, the denominator is the same, so I multiply top and bottom here by 2, so I can have 6 here. Now it's the same. I could combine, but the 1 here is smaller than 2. Can't subtract 2 from 1, so I had to change this a little bit. Okay, having now 49, 7 over 6, I can subtract 2 from 7, it's 5 now, and 38 from 49, which is 11 now. Okay? All right? Thank you.